The National People's Party, NPP, has asked the 4 MLAs of the Voice of the People's Party, VPP, to explain to the people about their contribution towards the development of their respective constituencies in the past 1 year. While speaking to reporters, NPP State Working President Panyait Singh Siem said that they should first fulfill their responsibility as the MLAs and stop making excuses of being unable to work for the welfare of the people just because they are in the opposition. Meanwhile, Siem said that the VPP has been accusing the NPP-led government as corrupt without substantiating with evidence to prove their claim.
Okay, kadang ru kajing pensngo ba habai dei ba kane kaban ong ba ka parti jungi kade ka parti ke ba penbe yu pai ba re nakaliang do jungi nga so ban ong ba dan kam le si kinoilam jung ka VPP ban pai bahai ka videos pai bahai ki lat pathai kubor ya ka jingkran kinoilam ke jungi na du pasdang hadu bakut wat ju pai tang si benta le si dan ne ban su edit hakajuk menta ke ba kabor teknologi la ban edit tengah ngai i ba kinong elam jungi ki hikai ye ki pai ba ki de ban long ki ba suthu ba ki ba shai nama don ki nomi khmat ki ba wan tang hak por election tang hak por badan kam ban penbe te kata ngi keren.
Working President